Good day, everyone. This is Team South Solutions. I am Gladys S. Ayunor, together with my groupmates Miss Jimena Grace Teliwick and Miss Kiara Rina Pelenio. We are going to present to you the Strategic Information Systems Design for Central Mindanao University. First, let's talk about the organization. Central Mindanao University was transformed from a settlement of farm schools organized by the Americans. President Elpidio Quirino signed Republic Act 807, otherwise known as the Mindanao Agricultural College MAC Charter, which also installed Zosimo Montemayor as president. By June 19, 1965, Republic Act 4498 launched MAC to the Central Mindanao University with Montemayor as the first president. Mandate. By virtue of Section 2 of Republic Act 4498, Central Mindanao University was mandated to provide programs of instruction at all levels in the arts, sciences, technical, professional, educational, and philosophical fields, and to concern itself with pure and applied research in all branches of knowledge. CMU at present is one of the top performing schools nationwide in the fields of veterinary medicine, engineering, forestry education, agricultural education, nutrition and dietetics, and teacher education. CMU now has a population of 8,619 students, 500 academic staff, and 800 administrative staff. There are currently 9 colleges in the university, namely Agriculture, Arts and Sciences, Business and Management, Education, Engineering, Forestry and Environmental Science, Human Ecology, Nursing, and Veterinary Medicine. The university's direction is made clear through its vision and mission. Vision. Although the university has earned its right in the roster of top public universities in the Philippines, there is another stage that it aims to compete. CMU is consistently included in the QS ranking since 2009, but has failed to be ranked in the world ranking and has just appeared in 301 plus rank for Asian ranking in 2012. The vision conveys the university's desire to have programs comparable to other institutions dominating the ASEAN space. Ranking shows it is lagging from its goal. The university also envisions a holistic growth that would contribute to sustainability. The university's strong departments come in handy to support this part of the vision. Mission. Internationalization includes the policies and practices undertaken by the academic institutions to cope with the global academic environment. Branch campuses, cross-border, collaborative arrangements, programs for international students, establishing English medium programs and degrees, more international content in curriculum are part of internationalization. These are things that CMU should consider to materialize so it can stay true in its mission. 4 of the key areas that the university places importance are mentioned also. The proponents' research shows that university projects are funded specifically for each quality instruction, research, extension, and production. Goals. First, to develop and retain professional and committed staff. The teachers and staff of the university are the key contributors in producing highly skilled and well-developed students. Thus, the university provides scholarship grants to the teachers who wish to have academic and professional advancements. Second goal, to produce globally competitive educated candidates. Highly qualified teachers are employed to teach the students to gain their competitive edge. Third, to develop and use information system to help the executive management provide better and efficient service to the students and employees of the university. The university has the Management Information Systems Office under the supervision of the University Planning and Development Office. They are responsible for the development and deployment of information system as well as technical support for IT-related matters. And the fourth goal is to strengthen research capabilities and utilize in extension and production work. CMU being a public research university and geared towards internationalization would need to gain grounds in the research part. Global rankings put heavy emphasis in published works of professors, citations, and eventual benefit of research to the community.
The Management Information System Office is under the supervision of the University Planning and Development Office, so its main task is to help CMU in key areas such as instruction, research, extension, and production. Its vision and mission is in alignment with the university. The vision is CMU Management Information System commits itself to the globally competitive Information Communication Technology Office, working with the university to achieve academic excellence. The mission is MIS is dedicated to create, innovate, and implement globally reliable and quality ICT solutions and services which uphold the university's instruction, research, extension, and production. So these are the goals. First is to provide high quality and effective systems and timely tools for university requirements. Second is to initiate evaluation of existing systems and implementation of new technologies. Third is to provide a system which makes information accessible and usable to relevant services. Fourth is to be open and committed to collaborate with faculty, staff, students, and community members to review and understand goals and objectives. Fifth is to provide reliable IT infrastructure to the university community. These are the strategic objectives. First is to provide continuous training to information system organization personnel in order to advance their knowledge of new technologies which can be implemented in the university. Second is to commit to provide regular training to the university community when new systems or updates are being introduced. Third is to conduct research about new technologies being used in similar organizations and attend IT or IS forums to keep abreast with new innovations. Fourth is to maintain and update IS tools and services annually. Fifth is to perform IS services performance checks in university units annually. Sixth is to continually communicate information system organization goals and objectives to the university community. 7. To continually equip and maintain technically skilled staff. So these are the current capabilities of the MIS office. Right now, their main role is to provide immediate services to the offices concerning computer network connectivity. However, aside from that, they also manage 4 major servers. First is the web server. So the web server hosts 13 websites. Example of this is the student portal, the faculty portal, and the file server. So these are the rest of the websites being hosted by the web server. Second is the enrollment system server. So this is for the enrollment. This is continuously maintained by the MIS personnel. And third is the mail server. So this was first implemented in 2014. It is being hosted by Google for free. And lastly is the proxy server. So this is the gateway of all computers to connect to the internet. So this controls the internet connectivity in the campus. So this table is to show you the software support that is available in the key areas of the university. As of this time, we still do not have any software support available for extension and production.
Based on current capabilities and the university's thrust, the following IS strategies are formulated. Number 1. Improve class management system and integrate online learning tools. There is already a student portal, faculty portal, and borderless classroom, but there are features that would help in managing classes that are not yet developed. Number 2. Expand enrollment system functionalities. So one of the bottlenecks during the enrollment period is in the payment of tuition fee. It is reported that there are only 3 cashiers to serve all students. An online payment system and online clearance system can be added to the existing features. Number 3, secure IT infrastructure and ensure data integrity. So this includes backup power sources and data security systems. Number 4, design a research project management system to support the university's extension production areas. Research is an important area for institutions of higher education and a relevant factor in world rankings. If strengthened, it can boost the ranking of CMU. Research capabilities of an institution make it stand out and add to its prestige and glory. In CMU's case, the technology they develop is presented to target clientele for their extension work. It may also be used in their own production, which is income generating for the university. As Kiara mentioned earlier, production and extension work of the university are the areas with almost no framework of information systems, so there's a big potential for growth that the MIS office can do here. Number 5, organize accumulated data from various systems and develop university reporting and analytics solution. So with all systems in place and in the pipeline, it is expected that a lot of data will be generated. So adding a business intelligence capability on top of the existing system would yield better planning decisions for the university's management. Number 6, provide IT support through help desk with online ticketing system. And number 7, ensure security of people and university assets. Business goals for MIS office. In here, we will translate the IS strategies into clear and more specific business goals. Number 1, efficient services to the university, faculty, staff, students, and other community members. Information system tools and services will be improved to make university processes faster, more efficient, and less prone to human errors. Necessary measures will also be taken to make the system operational during electricity blackouts. Daily data backup and recovery methods will be implemented, and the following systems will be prioritized: online payment system, general clearance system, fingerprint attendance system, and IT help desk ticketing system. Number 2, information analysis for effective planning and decision making. An academic decision support system will be applied to assess students, program success, and teaching effectiveness in the university. It will help administrators check if goals have been met and help them make solutions about problems by performing extensive analysis of data coming from multiple university systems which already exists. Number 3, efficient information distribution and access. The Information Systems Office will increase the accessibility, storage, and distribution of information and knowledge for organizations to support the needs of the students. In line with this are the development of the following systems: CMU Tutorial Club, Laboratory Information System, Online Library, and File Sharing feature in the Faculty and Student Portal. Number 4, effective information quality and integrity. So that includes the implementation of a robust design database and cybersecurity solutions to perform rigid testing and security checks in order to protect university data. This includes implementation of unified threat management system and firewall, and also the rehabilitation of the university fiber optic backbone cabling. Number 5, improve learning and research accessibility using technology. So there's an upgrade of the classroom IT and AV services and to enable Wi-Fi connection in libraries and study hubs with only recognized sites accessible. Number 6, improve technology literacy in the university communities by initiating workshops for the use of different systems in the university. For the first phase of this study, we were able to identify the direction that the university wants to go. We presented how the MIS office complements this with its own vision and mission. We looked into their current capability and even asked students on problem areas that IS can address. We rationalized what we know so far and formulated the business goals. We are ready to proceed in the next phase and to ultimately present a strategic plan for the MIS office and make it indispensable for the university's overall goals.